Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your Nimsha Davis. So, today we have got a deep dive into the latest in AI technology, the DeepSeek R1 model. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? It is a Chinese AI company that's been making major strides with its new DeepSeek R1 model. The model is taking the AI world by storm, offering competitive performance at a fraction of cost of the major players like OpenAI. So let's see why it's so groundbreaking. While OpenAI's GPT-4 has dominated the market, the DeepSeek R1 has managed to match its performance but at a significant lower cost. This is a huge deal for AI development worldwide, especially for the companies and the developers who are looking for powerful AI tool without breaking the bank. DeepSeek has made a huge impact on the US stock market. Just one day after it released, the market saw loss of $6,000 billion due to the DeepSeek breakthrough. With such a cost effective AI, DeepSeek could disrupt the global AI market and force established companies to rethink their strategies. One of the standard features of DeepSeek is its thinking capability. DeepSeek doesn't just process the data, it uses the advanced algorithm to understand, to analyze, and to make decisions. This makes it a powerful tool not just for NLP natural language processing but for also problem solving and decision making as well. However, it's not all perfect. One concern with the DeepSeek AI is its data security. With any powerful AI system, security becomes a critical issue. The concern majorly focus on the potential risk of data breaches and how information is handled. As AI continues to evolve, the securing the user data will be a top priority.